computer screen when you open any text editor is called what? Mouse, logo, cursor.
cursor,
Cursor, bilkul. The blinking symbol on the computer screen when you open any text editor is called cursor. Which of the following is included in paragraph formatting in a word processor? Which of the following is included in paragraph formatting? Subscript, font, line spacing, underline color.
line spacing,
Hand spacing.
Line spacing, bilkul. In MS Word, which option controls spacing between the words? Spacing between the words. Left alignment, justification, right alignment, center alignment.
Justification.
Justification, बिल्कुल. Justification option controls spacing between the words. Using the end key in MS Word, processor moves the cursor to the end of what? Page, file, line, document. Using end key in MS Word, which of the processor moves the
Document.
cursor to
Page.
the end of line? The use of end key in MS Word processor moves the cursor to the end of the line. To move the cursor to the end of the line of text in MS Word, you have to press which keyboard shortcut?
End.
End, बिल्कुल एबे ही कहली. End हला end of line, end of document हला
End.
end, control plus end हला move the cursor to the end of the document. Which symbol is used for referencing numbered section of a document in MS Word? Which symbol? And, star, section, ampersand. Which symbol?
Ampersand.
percent,
सेक्शन सिंबल केमती लेखा जाए टिके कहि परिबिनी एस ର ତଳେ ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ଏସ୍ ଲାଗିଯିବ ମିଶିକି ଗୋଟେ ପ୍ରକାର ଦେଖାଯାଏ ସେଇ ସିମ୍ବଲ MS Word section symbol is used to refer to a numbered section of a document. To insert a table of contents in MS Word, you have to go to which menu? To insert a table of
Insert
contents,
menu.
design, insert, references, layout.
insert,
Insert menu,
Insert.
cool. Insert menu. Activating the show or hide option in MS Word displays the spaces between words as dash. Activating the show or hide option in MS Word displays the spaces between words as what? Arrows, commas, dots, dashes. वर्ड भितर स्पेस को को कैरेक्टर हिसाब रे शो करे शो और हाइड ऑप्शन एक्टिवेट कले गोटे स्पेशल कैरेक्टर हिसाब रे शो करे स्पेस को वर्ड भितर जो स्पेस था ताकू शो और हाइड ऑप्शन एक्टिवेट कले it looks like a dot. Thus activating the show or hide option in MS Word displays the spaces between words as dots. Which of the following determines the amount above or below a paragraph in a Word document? Line spacing, paragraph spacing, word spacing, character spacing.
line spacing,
Character spacing.
Which of the following determines the amount above or below a paragraph in a Word document? Paragraph
Line.
Paragraph spacing.
paragraph
Paragraph
spacing,
spacing, बिल्कुल. Paragraph spacing determines the amount above or below a paragraph in a Word document. By default, line spacing word रे कितना था? Line spacing 1.15. 1.15 by default. In which view headers and footers are visible in MS Word? Normal view, print layout view, draft view, page layout view. In
Page
which
layout.
page layout,
print layout view? In print layout view, headers and footers are visible. Other option views hide most elements and display pages like a book for full screen reading. but in print layout view, header and footer are visible. Which view is in MS Word shows the tree-like structure of the document to the users? Which view in MS Word shows the tree-like structure of the document to the users? Web layout view, full screen view, outline view, print layout view. Which view in MS Word? Tree-like structure माने outline भलिया देखाଯାଏ। एते भाबिबार कोन अछि? Outline view in MS Word shows the tree-like structure of the document to the users. Audible तो?
ଆଜ୍ଞା।
ମଝିରେ ମଝିରେ ଚୁପ୍ ହେଇଯାଉଛ, ମୁଁ ଭାବୁଛି ଶୁଭୁନି ନା କଣ। In which view menu bar is hidden in MS Word? Web layout view, draft view, outline view, full screen reading view. In which view the menu bar
फुल
is
स्क्रीन
hidden?
full
बिल्कुल
screen
फुल
reading.
स्क्रीन
full screen reading view, बिल्कुल in full screen reading view the menu bar is hidden, not displayed in MS Word. Using home key in MS Word, processor moves the cursor to the beginning of what? ଯେମିତି ଏଣ୍ଡ କି ଥିଲା ସେଇ ଟାଇପ ର ଅଛି।
Line.
ଲାଇନ୍ ବିଲକୁଲ ଏଣ୍ଡ କି ରେ ଏଣ୍ଡ ଅଫ ଦ ଲାଇନ୍, ଆଉ ହୋମ କି ରେ ବିଗିନିଂ ଅଫ ଦ ଲାଇନ୍। On which menu bar spelling tool is located? In which menu bar spelling tool is located?
Review.
पेज लेआउट बिल्कुल बहुत बढ़िया। रिव्यू, spelling tool is located in review menu bar. A dash color underline indicates grammar errors in MS Word. Dash color underline
Red color.
रेड
Red
कलर
color.
green, green color। ग्रामर कहली मु, स्पेलिंग कहनी हला। रेड कलर इंडिकेट स्पेलिंग एरर, ग्रामर एरर इज इंडिकेटेड बाय ग्रीन कलर। In MS Word, red color underline mark appears under letters, signifies what? Grammar error, spelling error, printing error, address mistake.
Spelling error.
स्पेलिंग एरर
Spelling error बिल्कुल। Red wavy underline mark appears, signifies spelling errors. To move from one cell to another cell in a sequence in MS Word table, which key is used?
टैब
Tab.
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 बिल्कुल बिल्कुल। In MS Word table, tab key is used to move from one cell to another cell. How will MS Word respond in case a word is immediately repeated? A word is immediately repeated. A green wavy line under the repeated word, a red wavy line under the repeated word, a blue wavy line under the repeated word, none of these.
Red.
Blue.
A red wavy line in MS Word. In MS Word, when a word is repeated immediately, a red wavy line is formed at the bottom of the repeated word. What is the least number of rows that can be in a table in MS Word? What is the least number of rows? केतेटा minimum row हेई परिबो गोटे टेबल बनेले MS Word रे? 1 2 4 8
वोट वन
1
One.
बिल्कुल
1.
1. The least number of rows and column both can be in a table in MS Word is 1. What is the shortcut key for single line spacing for the current selection? Control plus 1, control plus 2, control plus 3, control plus 5.
Control plus one.
प्लस वन
Control plus one.
बिल्कुल। What is the shortcut key for to apply double spacing?
Control plus two.
Control plus two.
बिल्कुल
Control
control
plus
plus 2, control plus 2. What is the shortcut key to apply 1.5 line spacing?
Control
Control
five.
plus five.
Control
Control
plus
plus five.
5 बिल्कुल। What is the shortcut key to center align the text?
Control plus E.
कंट्रोल ई
Control plus E.
Control plus E बिल्कुल। What is the shortcut key to apply italic formatting to text?
Control I.
कंट्रोल
Control
आई
plus I.
Control plus I.
Control plus I. What is the shortcut key to display font dialog box?
Control D.
Control plus
plus
D.
D.
Control plus D, बिल्कुल. What is the shortcut key to select the URL in address bar of the browser? Select the URL in the address bar of browser. राजेश नहीं.
Control.
हाँ. Alt plus D. Alt plus D. Select the URL in the address bar of the browser. To change selected text to all capital letters, you have to click on which change case button. Uppercase, upper all, caps lock, lock upper.
Caps lock.
Upper all.
Caps lock.
Upper
Uppercase.
uppercase.
Uppercase, uppercase. Selected text को कही से ला caps lock button allows users to type all letters in capital font. Uppercase click करि परिबा नहले shift plus F3 to change selected text to all capital letters. Which key is also known as toggle key? Caps lock, num lock, both, shift key.
Both.
Both.
Shift.
Both.
Both नुह
Oh, shift.
Shift key.
Shift.
shift नुह caps lock. Caps lock is known as toggle key.
Shift a modifier.
Which command deletes personal information added to a file in MS Word? Which command deletes personal information added to a file in MS Word? Encrypt document, protect document, inspect document, insert table of authorities.
Encrypt document.
Encrypted.
Nine. Inspect document. The inspect document command in MS Word removes personal information added to the file. Which key is used to type capital letters? Tab, caps lock, enter, backspace.
Caps lock.
Caps lock.
Caps lock.
Caps lock.
Caps lock, बिल्कुल. What is the keyboard shortcut to redo the last operation in MS Word?
Control plus Y.
Control plus Y. What is the shortcut key to open the print window in MS Word?
Control P.
Control F2.
Control plus F2.
P. Control plus P. What is the shortcut key among the following to launch the open dialog box? Alt plus F12, Shift plus F12, F12, Control plus F12. In MS Excel, which shortcut key is used to launch open dialog box? Control plus F12. In MS Excel, Control plus F12 shortcut key is used to launch the open dialog box. From which of the following functions is the Control plus Z command given in MS Office? Find, undo, format box, display date.
Justify.
Undo.
Undo.
Undo, बिल्कुल. Control plus Z कहती. What is the default number of cells in a MS Word table with 2 rows and 3 columns? Total केतेटा cell खोलिबो? 2 rows and
Order.
3 columns.
6.
6.
एटा केमती क्वेश्चन थिला? 2 rows 3 columns रे आउ default आउ कोन? What is the shortcut key to undo the last action in a document in MS Word?
Control Z.
Control Z.
Control plus J.
Control plus Z, बिल्कुल. What are the 4 types of indentation provided in MS Word? कहि परिबो कि?
Left, right, justify,
Left,
center.
right, center, justify.
Justify ना indent रे justify अछि. Indent कहूची मु. Indent हला left indent, right indent, hanging indent, fast line indent. चारटा. पढ़ी रिसेंटली एग्जाम रे तो जानिथिबा दरकार चारटा जाक. Fast line indent, hanging indent, right indent, left indent. What is the font size limit in MS Word 2007? 1 ରୁ 100, 1 ରୁ 200, 8 ରୁ 637, 1 ରୁ 1638।
1638
1 to 1638। What is the 1 to 1638 is the font size limit in MS Word 2007? What is the smallest font size that can be applied to a MS Word document? 1, 8, 10, 12।
1
1 बिल्कुल। बाय डिफॉल्ट कितने?
8
8।
11
8 8 बाय डिफॉल्ट 8। In MS Word 2007, what is the shortcut key to change the font style of selected text to italic? Control
control
plus
and
I बिल्कुल। italic कौची और कौन? In MS Word, to remove paragraph formatting, one must press which shortcut key? To remove paragraph formatting, Control plus Y, Control plus J, Control plus Q, Control plus M।
control Q
Control
Q
plus Q बिल्कुल। To remove paragraph formatting. Which tab in menu bar provides facility of proofing, making changes? Wait a minute. हेलो क्लास चलची है पर कथा भी डेली हुए पा जानी दीदी करे पा हाँ हाँ कटिगला मोर नेट कटिगलानी है कथा पर
ना 7 sorry
तो इन MS Word to remove paragraph formatting one must press the shortcut key Control plus Q. To insert header and footer, click on which menu? File, edit, insert, format.
insert menu.
Insert menu. The shortcut key Control plus X is used for what? To copy the selected text, to skew the selected text, to paste the copied text, selected text to cut.
first
Selected
Got
text cut.
selected. Got
Cut बिल्कुल। To cut the selected text, shortcut key Control plus X is used. Which of the following applications MS Word is basically used for? Preparing slides, analyzing data, preparing various documents, creating databases.
various
Preparing
document
document.
Preparing various documents. In MS Word, to use spelling and grammar option, one has to first click on which tab, then click on spelling grammar under which group.
review tab
दीटा अच्छी कौ टैब रे क्लिक करिवो तापरे कौ ग्रुप रो स्पेलिंग ग्रामर ऑप्शन रे क्लिक करिवो ऑप्शन हला रिव्यू प्रूफिंग रिव्यू प्रिपेयर सॉरी कंपेयर डिजाइन ट्रैकिंग व्यू लैंग्वेज फास्ट हला टैब रोना
Review
review
compare.
रिव्यू टैब then click on spelling grammar under the proofing group proofing 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 group located under the review tab. What is macro? Option ଶୁଣି ସାରିଲା ପରେ କହିବ small add-on programs that are installed afterwards if you need them. Small programs created in MS Word to automate repetitive tasks. A type of high-level programming language, a type of low-level programming language.
second
repeated task
बिल्कुल सेकंड है small programs created in MS Word to automate repetitive tasks.
Disconnected.
कौन किए कौन कहला
Connected.
किए कौन कनेक्टेड कहला what is the second largest font size that can be selected using font size drop down list in MS Word? What is the second largest font size in drop down list of MS Word? Second largest 36, 48, 70 to 96.
48,
48 बिल्कुल और लार्जेस्ट
72,
72 बिल्कुल dash is the smallest and dash is the largest font size available in size tool under formatting toolbar in MS Word. अरे यार कुआडे पळेला उड़ीकी हाँ 12 and 72 8 and 64 12 and 64 8 and 72
8 and 72.
8 and 72 minimum font size is 8 and maximum font size is 72 on the formatting toolbar. In MS Word, which of the following font size cannot be selected from font size drop down list? 8, 10, 13, 14.
13.
13.
13,
बिल्कुल 13 font size cannot be selected from drop down list. Which of the following cannot be done by using font option in word processor? Changing the font style, changing the width of font size, changing the font size, uh, changing the color of the font.
Width.
to the front.
Changing the width of the font size we can't do. Font style changes the style of selected text to suit your style. Font size changes the font size of the selected text. Font color changes the selected text to the color of our choice. There is no option to change the width of the font. In MS Word, how is the text in a table aligned by default? Text in a table. Left, right, justify, center.
Left,
Left. बिल्कुल. In MS Word, the text in a table by default is left aligned. In MS Word, the default font type is what and default font size is what. दुईटा जाक शुणिकी कहब.
Calibri 11.
ऑप्शन है एरियल 10, बुक आंटिक्वा 10, टाइम्स न्यू रोमन 12, कैलिब्री 11.
Calibri 11,
Calibri 11.
बिल्कुल. In MS Word, the default font size is Calibri and the default font type is Calibri and font size is 11. In MS Word, regular, bold, italic and bold italic are examples of what? Style of font, size of font, name of font, indentation.
style of
Name of
font,
Style of font. In MS Word, what is Times New Roman? Font name, font style, bullet type, alignment option.
font
font
name,
style.
Font name. Font name. बहुत लंबा चलिବ MS Word. MS Word कौन पूरा सबू जहाँ सरीब पूरा कंप्लीट. नेक्स्ट आउ कौन थिला आज? कौन थिला कहबोनी ना कौन?
Nickname of cities.
Nickname of cities. राजेश कुमार कुआडे गले? ଲେଖିବାକୁ କହିଲି ସମସ୍ତେ ଗୋଟେ ଗୋଟେ ଥମ୍ସ ଅପ୍ ମାରୁଛନ୍ତି ସବୁଥିରେ. ପିଲା ଜାଣିବେ କେମିତି ସବୁ ଜାଣି ପାରୁନାହାନ୍ତି ନା. ଭାବୁଛନ୍ତି ଏଇଟା ଏଇ ଏକ୍ଜାମ ପାଇଁ ନୁହଁ ସେଇ ଏକ୍ଜାମ ପାଇଁ ନୁହଁ. ସେଇଥିପାଇଁ କହିଲି ଲେଖ ଯିଏ କରୁଛ. ଆଉ ଛାଡ଼ କ'ଣ କହୁଥିଲି ନିକ୍ ନେମ୍ ନା ନିକ୍ ନେମ୍ ତ କ'ଣ ଗୋଟେ ନିକ୍ ନେମ୍ ଆଉ ବିଜୟ କେବେ ପାର୍ଟି ଦବ?
ପାର୍ଟି ମିଳିଗଲେ ପାର୍ଟି ଦେବି.
ପାର୍ଟି ମିଳିଗଲେ କ'ଣ ପାର୍ଟି ଦବ? Which city is called Blue City?
जोधपुर।
Jodhpur. Which city is called Sun City? Jodhpur, same Jodhpur. Which city is called Pink City?
जयपुर।
Jaipur.
Jaipur. Which city is called Wine Capital of India? Nasik.
नासिक
Nasik. Which city is called Banana City of India?
आंध्र प्रदेश।
Jalgaon. Jalgaon. Which city is called India's first World Heritage City? Obviously, first World Heritage
जयपुर।
Site list रे स्थान पाइथिला first city Ahmedabad.
अहमदाबाद।
Which city is called Boston of India?
Ahmedabad.
ପଢିନ ଆଉ କଣ
Ahmedabad.
କରୁଛ ପଢୁନ ବୋଷ୍ଟନ ଅଫ ଇଣ୍ଡିଆ ଇଜ ଅହମ୍ମଦାବାଦ which city is called diamond city of India?
सूरत।
Surat, बिल्कुल. Which city is called city of Nawabs?
लखनऊ
Lucknow.
लखनऊ।
Lucknow. Which city is called land of lychee?
तेजपुर बिहार। ना ना।
ବିହାର କଣ ଏକ୍ଜାମ ରେ ପଡିବ? land of lychee ହେଲା ମୁଜାଫରପୁର ପର୍ଟିକୁଲାର
मुजफ्फरपुर।
ଯୋଉଟା ସେଟା ସିଲଭର ସିଟି ଅଫ ଇଣ୍ଡିଆ କଟକ. କଟକ ପିଲା କହୁନାହାନ୍ତି କଣ କହିବି ଆଉ ଲେଦର ସିଟି ଅଫ ୱାର୍ଲଡ ଲେଦର ସିଟି ଅଫ ୱାର୍ଲଡ
चेन्नई।
कानपुर. कानपुर उत्तर प्रदेश लेदर सिटी ऑफ वर्ल्ड. गेटवे ऑफ इंडिया
मुंबई।
Mumbai.
बिल्कुल. ऑरेंज सिटी ऑफ इंडिया
नागपुर
नागपुर बिल्कुल. फाइनेंशियल कैपिटल ऑफ इंडिया
मुंबई।
मुंबई
Mumbai.
मुंबई. सैंडलवुड सिटी ऑफ इंडिया
मैसूर
Mysore.
मैसूर बिल्कुल.
Mysore.
स्कॉटलैंड ऑफ ईस्ट स्कॉटलैंड ऑफ ईस्ट शिलोंग बिल्कुल. सिटी ऑफ ब्लैक डायमंड आसनसोल वेस्ट बंगाल. आसनसोल सिटी ऑफ ब्लैक डायमंड. सिटी ऑफ जॉय
कोलकाता।
कोलकाता. सिटी ऑफ पर्ल्स मोती
Hyderabad.
हैदराबाद बिल्कुल.
Hmm.
सिटी ऑफ स्पाइसेस
कर्नाटक केरला
सेमती कौन पड़े कालीकट और कोझिकोड. स्पाइस गार्डन ऑफ इंडिया एटा केरला.
Kerala.
स्पाइस गार्डन ऑफ इंडिया केरला. गोल्डन टेम्पल सिटी एटा तो छुआ गोटे कहब
अमृतसर।
Amritsar.
Amritsar.
अमृतसर. गोल्डन सिटी
Same. Amritsar.
नहीं नहीं गोल्डन टेम्पल सिटी अमृतसर. गोल्डन सिटी जैसलमेर. तो राजस्थान रे जो जो प्लेस अच्छी सब गोटे गोटे कलर को लेकिन एमती मन रखिपर किंतु कन्फ्यूजन बहुत हम बार बार रिविजन न कले भूल कर. जैसलमेर जगह जयपुर जयपुर जगह जोधपुर करद. स्टील सिटी ऑफ इंडिया
जमशेदपुर।
जामशेदपुर. पिट्सबर्ग ऑफ इंडिया सेम जामशेदपुर. सिटी ऑफ लेक्स राजस्थान रो कोटा
जो उदयपुर।
उदयपुर बिल्कुल. कहीं सिटी ऑफ लेक्स बहुत जगार अच्छी जम्मू काश्मीर हिसाब से गोटे तो ऑप्शन उपरे भी डिपेंड करे. सिटी ऑफ लेक्स मध्य प्रदेश रो भोपाल भोपाल. बनियन सिटी बड़ोदरा बड़ोदरा बनियन सिटी. मैनचेस्टर ऑफ साउथ इंडिया कोयम्बटूर
Coimbatore.
कोयम्बटूर. सिल्क सिटी भागलपुर बिहार
Gorakhpur.
भागलपुर. कोल कैपिटल ऑफ इंडिया
Dhanbad.
धनबाद
धनबाद।
Dhanbad.
धनबाद. गोल्ड कैपिटल ऑफ इंडिया त्रिशूर त्रिशूर. सिटी ऑफ टमाटोज सोलन. को स्टेट रे अच्छी सोलन हिमाचल प्रदेश. सिटी ऑफ टमाटोज रेड गोल्ड भी कहती टमाटो को तो सिटी ऑफ रेड गोल्ड भी पड़ी पारे सोलन हिमाचल प्रदेश. डेकान क्वीन
पुणे